Hey everyone! How are you today? Today, we're going to fold a paper whale. First, fold the paper in half diagonally.
Fold with me, let's fly and fold so happily.
Then unfold again. Next, fold each corner to the center line. Then unfold again. Let's do the same with the bottom side as well. Now watch closely, hold this folded section and fold the corner like this. This is called the rabbit ear fold. Let's do the same on the other side. Now, let's fold the paper in half backwards.
Grab your paper, here we go. A little fold, nice and slow. Triangle, square, let's take care. Flip it, press it, fold with flair.
Then fold this point so it meets here. Then unfold. And fold this point to the spot I'm pointing to and unfold again. You'll see two crease lines. Now tuck this section inside along the inner crease. Then, let's fold the hidden flap back out.
Grab your paper, here we go. A little fold, nice and slow. Triangle, square, let's take care. Flip it, press it, fold with flair.
And fold it down like this. Place your finger into this pocket, open it to the sides, and press flat. See that? Let's flip it over and do it again. Fold the top point down and tuck it inside. Now you'll see a little tip sticking out. Fold along this line and tuck it inside once more. Fold just the top layer down. And there's the tail. Now for the fins, fold this edge down at an angle. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. For the head, fold the left tip in. Make a crease and tuck it inside. Next, fold the bottom of the fins just a little. Do the same at the back. I like to reverse fold mine to keep it neat. Now, draw smooth lines here. And a dotty eye. And your whale is done. Great job folding with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more fun videos like this. Then see you next time.